Hi guys. So a customer complained about his windows sometimes not really going down, sometimes not coming up. Uh, and when I scanned it with my auto scanner, I got on the driver's side module. I got a fault code that said implausible signal that was stored. So I picked apart the door panel and I removed this module here, which I have in my hand. Obviously, the buttons go over this right here, and as you can see, this is where the buttons push down. And if you look from this perspective, it looks pretty good. But if I were to remove this, you would soon realize that the condition of this chip isn't really that good. As you can see here, it's actually pretty bad. Now the bottom ones they look excellent, but like the customer complained, it was driver side and passenger side front that he had problems with, and this is what we can see here. These are the two front ones, obviously. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to clean this up with some spray and some cloth or paper or something, and try to get all this oxidation and stuff out of the way, and put everything back together and see if we can save our customers some money. Otherwise, he's going to have to replace this unit, I guess. So the reason why I'm making this video is just that if you have a similar issue, you should probably take your door panel apart and check the chip first and see how the circuit is looking before you go on and order something, or order something that's unrelated to your problem. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.